Hi guys, Deriso here, and today guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-Zoom meeting and last night super puyat ko pa kasi I got so much readings, so super puyat talaga, and I really just wanna hit the bed right now since nandito lang naman siya sa tabi ko. Pero guys, I found someone near our house na nagbebenta ng iba-ibang coffee, so I really had to try it, lalo na ngayon na inaantok ako ng super lala. So, ngayon, magta-try tayo ng iba-ibang klaseng kape. Oh my gosh! Hindi ko alam ano mangyayari sa akin mamaya kasi titikman natin lahat. Pero, tikman natin lahat. Ayan guys, magta-taste test na tayo. Let's start with the original. Super excited to drink my coffee fix for today. Ang hirap buksan. Sealed talaga siya. So, natin. This is original latte. Kumuha ko ng baso kasi ngayon, you can't really share things kahit sa family mo pa. So, kailangan gumamit ka ng baso kung hindi mo naman mauubos. So, my gosh, ang sarap. Ano bang kalasa nito? Para siyang Maxim na hindi sweet. Kasi diba yung mga sachet, Maxim sachets, sweet na sila. So, ito parang Maxim na hindi sweet. I really like it. Super light lang ng pagka-bitter niya. So, dun sa mga taong ayaw ng super bitter and ayaw din ng sweet, ito yon, original. Kunin niyo yung original. Super love it. Now, let's taste the French vanilla. Okay, let's put it in the glass. Ang dami kong basong gagamitin dito, ha. Gusto ko to. Ito talaga yung order ko pag nagsa-Starbucks ako, ganito yung lasa. Kasi lagi kong kinukuha caramel macchiato na madami pang add-ons. Alam na mga friends ko yung mga add-ons na nilalagay ko. Pero it tastes like this one, the French vanilla of Parch 43. And the next one is this one, the macadamia nut. Super excited ako to try this one because anywhere I go, yung macadamia nut masarap. Now, let's try the macadamia nut. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Super must try, guys. Pero dun sa mga may gusto ng bitter na coffee, siguro you have to try the other ones. Kasi ito, parang sweet siya. Para sa akin, ito siguro yung iinumin ko for a regular day lang. Yung hindi ako magpupuyat. Kasi I can't really taste so much coffee on it. So, I think mas madami tong milk and yung flavor niya ng macadamia. Super malalasahan mo talaga yung nutty flavor niya. Kaya I really like it. Hindi ko na tuloy alam ano mas gusto ko. Yung French vanilla ba o ito? And the next one is this one, yung coffee jelly. Nakikita niyo yung mga jelly dyan. Pero, worry ko lang baka pag binuhos ko lahat ng jelly, sumama kasi nasa taas lahat ng jelly. So, tingnan natin. Ito, konti lang. Super konti nang nilalagay ko kasi tatry natin lahat eh. Baka hindi ako makatulog. I must say na mas matapang yung coffee jelly kesa dun sa original nila. Mas malalasahan mo talaga yung coffee than the originals. Siguro dahil yung jelly na ginamit nila na coffee flavored din. So, I don't know, but it really tastes more bitter. Or you can taste more coffee in this one. Not like the French vanilla and macadamia nut na medyo may milky taste na and may nutty taste. So, for those who like bitter coffee, try coffee jelly of Parch 43. And the last one would be this one, the cold brew. Medyo dinadoubt ko pa kung tatry ko talaga to kasi I can't really yung mga cold brew, hindi ko talaga kaya. Super nagpapalpitate ako. Pero this one, let's see, let's try it. Konti lang naman. Ayan, super konti nang nilagay ko. Magpapalpitate nga ako talaga dito. So, dun sa mga may gusto ng cold brew, sa tingin ko gusto nyo to. Kasi yung sister ko, pag umiinom siya ng cold brew na nakakapalpitate for me, yun yung masarap na cold brew. So, I think ito nga yung masarap na cold brew. But I think it would be better if it's over ice. Kasi medyo na-ref lang to, pero I think it would be better na ice talaga siya. Like how they drink it in Korea. A little story time, guys. Sa Korea kasi, kung nakikita niyo sa mga K-dramas or K-pop reality shows, makikita niyo na mahilig sila sa cold brew, hand drip coffee. So, yun, hindi ko talaga kaya. Lagi ako nagre-request sa friends ko doon na, can you help me order the sweetest coffee? Because they don't really do sweet coffee. And you can see that sa mga Korean bakeries na nandito sa Philippines, na yung pastries nila not so sweet. So yun, if you're a sweet tooth sa cafe sa Korea, medyo mahirapan ka maghanap ng sweet na coffee. Lalo na ako, as in, lagi ako may extra pump ng caramel, extra pump, all the way talaga. Pero doon, may isang time na nag-order ako ng coffee. Tapos yung friend ko, pinag-order na niya ako ng sweetest coffee na nandoon sa cafe na yun. Tapos nung ininom ko, parang, shucks, hindi pa rin. Wala akong nalalasahan na tamis. So, nagtanong ako sa friend ko, can I ask for some sugar or anything? Then, they showed me to this place na may sugar syrup and everything. And nakailang pump na ako ng sugar syrup, guys. Wala pa rin talaga epekto. So, hindi talaga ako nagsusurvive sa kape doon. Pag kape doon, lagi ako sa Cafe 89 Mansion kasi nandun yung gusto kong kape. Pero ngayon, sarado na sila. And siguro pupuntahan ko na lang doon the alley or mag-Starbucks na lang ako if magkakape ako sa Korea. Kaso kasi ang mahal ng Starbucks. So, wag na. Hindi ka na lang magkakape kung hindi mo mahanap yung kape gusto mo. So, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Ito yung last natin. Cooler siya na mango jelly. I really love mango sago desserts in Chinese restaurants and my family really loves it also. That's why my mom always does this parang mango jelly dessert. And I'm so excited to try this kasi hindi na gumagawa lately si mama ng ganon dahil hindi kami makakuha ng manggang sweet. And there's really no occasion para gumawa ng desserts, diba? So, yun. Namimiss ko na yun. Kaya tinry ko tong cooler. Ito, meron siyang jelly. Meron siyang sago. Ayun, nakikita niyo ba? Yan, may sago siya. And nakikita niyo yung color ng mango. Ang ganda so far ng color. So, tingnan natin. Let's taste it. I'm gonna get a glass lang. Ito guys, I got the glass already. So, I'm so excited to try this. Ito yung super excited ako other than the macadamia nut. This is the one that I'm excited about talaga. Ooh. Ang dami ng laman niya. Ayaw lumabas. Wait, let's shake it. Hala, lumabas na lahat ng jelly. Girl! Ay! Hindi ko talaga siya i-share. Oh my gosh. Sorry, fam. Ang sarap. Hala, baka sasakit niya yung tiyan ko. Ang dami ko nang ininom na iba-iba. Tapos, hindi. Wala. Ubusin ko to. Ang sarap, guys. Gusto ko talaga to. I love anything with mango. So, it's really heaven right now. So, guys, everything that we tasted in this video is from Parch 43, guys. Super love everything and convenient kasi malapit yung seller sa amin. And guys, kung nakita nyo ng quarantine, I've been doing quarantine food reviews but now I stop and naglaylo ako kasi guys, I wanna be more cautious kasi we're not talking about myself lang. We're talking about the whole family. Kasi as you can see, yung mga nagkaka-COVID, meron lang isang mahahawa tapos buong family niya hahawain niya. And we have to admit it that here in the Philippines, testing is still not accessible for everyone. Hindi lang yung mahaba yung pila. Yung cost ng testing is really so much that some people don't know they have the virus already but they keep living their life. So there guys, be cautious of what you order online also, diba? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if this is a quick one or what, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And see you in my next videos. Bye guys!